In modern wood harvesting, the use of machinery has increased productivity and reduced the time required to harvest wood, thus lowering cost and optimizing production. Equipment such as lock, grapples, saws, and trucks are used to minimize labor and increase work efficiency in the tree cutting process. However, the use of machinery must be carefully managed and monitored to ensure sustainable wood harvesting practices that do not harm the environment. So how does the operation process of this machine work, and how are they integrated? Let's explore together. A crane is one of the important tools in bringing lumberjacks up to cut large trees at high positions. Through the use of a crane, lumberjacks can be lifted up to cut trees in positions that were previously difficult and dangerous. To use a crane effectively, lumberjacks need to be trained in safety techniques, maintenance, and crane operation. This ensures that they can work safely and efficiently with the crane, minimizing risk of themselves and those around them. In addition, using a crane helps increase work productivity and reduces the time required for cutting wood. Instead of having to use a ladder or climb up the tree, lumberjacks can be easily and quickly lifted up and down. This helps increase work efficiency and reduce the fatigue of lumberjacks. However, the use of cranes also requires compliance with safety regulations to avoid unnecessary risks. Keep the crane well maintained and regularly checked as also necessary to ensure the safety and efficiency of cutting wood using the crane. The Grunewald Stump Killer 1270 is a tool designed to quickly and effectively remove trees, branches, leaves and tree stumps. The machine utilizes advanced technology to process tree stumps quickly while also being environmentally friendly. The Grunewald Stump Killer 1270 is equipped with a powerful engine and sharp cutting blades that help to quickly and efficiently remove tree stumps. The machine is also equipped with a chemical injection system to kill tree roots, ensuring that no roots grow back. With the development of technology, the Grunewald Stump Killer 1270 has been improved and upgraded to become even more efficient. The machine can operate on a variety of terrains and remove various types of trees, from small trees to large ones. This line of machines is one of the important tools in the forestry and logging industry. It helps to reduce the time and cost of removing trees and stumps, while also protecting the environment and creating healthy living space for humans and animals. Combining a tree cutting saw with a log grabber is a safe and effective solution for cutting trees near homes. The use of saw to cut branches can be dangerous if not done properly. However, when combined with a log grabber, the person performing the task can maintain a safe distance and increase the efficiency of the cutting process. The log grabber can securely hold the tree while it is being cut by the saw, helping the person performing the task avoid direct contact with the tree and reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, use of log grabber can minimize the impact of cutting on the surrounding trees, reduce the risk of damage to nearby property, and protect the environment. Combining a saw and log grabber also increase the efficiency of the tree cutting process. The task can be completed more quickly, reducing the time and energy required to complete the job. This helps save cost and energy while also minimizing negative impact on the environment. When performing tree cutting at height, using protective equipment is essential to ensure safety for the person performing the task. Tree cutting at height requires the person performing the task to stand on an unstable platform, posing a risk of accidents when losing balance and falling to the ground. Using protective equipment helps protect the person from injuries and accidents. When performing tree cutting, using a helmet and safety glasses is essential to avoid collisions with falling debris from above. The glasses will help the worker prevent wood dust from getting into their eyes during the cutting process. Using a safety rope will help protect the worker during the tree cutting process, maintaining balance and protecting them in case of slipping. Tree cutting at height requires the person performing the task to use their hands and feet extensively. Using protective equipment helps reduce fatigue, soreness after work. Process is sustainable and does not harm the environment or the health of the workers. We hope that the outstanding development of modern machinery will be one of the factors contributing to the sustainable development of this industry. That's the end of our video. We hope that you will continue to support our channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. Goodbye and see you again.